Tour de France is approaching the bottom of Home Moss. And we've got the riders on the bottom road. Soon they'll be out of sight and going around the corner beneath the viewpoint here. All the following vehicles now. Now we have all the forward vehicles. This is the crowds here waiting on the corner. The helicopter's here somewhere, there it is, watching the riders. There's a big roar coming up the hill, I can hear it further down, people ringing bells. More advanced vehicles. This is a wonderful atmosphere. We've got some riders away. Looks like 3 riders away. Here comes the rest of the peloton. My goodness me, they're coming up at pace. Having watched the other riders just warming up. God, the pace of this is fantastic. Goodness me. Oh, what an atmosphere. Whee! Wow. Helicopter's just gone right over me. Goodness me. Woo! Oh, fantastic. I'm going to try and swing round now. Just see the tops of the riders going up the hill. Wow. Amazing. Wow, the pace they're going at. Goodness me. The helicopter just above us. That was fantastic. Worth all the waiting. A couple of them struggling up the hill now. Some stragglers at the end. Wow, what an atmosphere. Woo! And more riders. Unbelievable. Oh, wouldn't have missed this for the world. Fantastic. Oh, looks like the yellow jersey right